Hi, my name is Marco from the company Swissly. We're standing just now in a bathroom on the 80th floor in Burj Khalifa. A little bit about this project that we have been appointed makes me very proud. Why we have been recommended from a previous customer to this property owner that pointed out if he wants a good job, he needs to go with us. And in the beginning, I didn't know that this actually owner of this property is by himself a developer and a contractor. So once we have the initial meeting with him, he tried to explain me that what he wants in first line, and the second line, when he pointed me out how we do the work, to give him the scope of work. He wanted to do tile on tile, or can we leave this? So I explained him that this is not the way how we're working. In the way how we're working, we want to do the job properly. So we need to go to shell and core, do new waterproofing. I not feel comfortable to do what he wanted. So practically it was a test from him to us to see if we do the job in the right way. And this gained immediately his confidence. For this we have been awarded with the project. We have all 3 bathrooms that was still in the original state as the property was handed over to the company owner here in Dubai. And then he wanted to have a refresh, so we sit down with our interior designer that give him the concept. The material has been chosen, and I'm very glad to work with high-end products like with Kohler, with the tiles from Rock Ceramics. We have Italian wallpaper in the day toilet. So it makes us also very proud to hand over a project with good quality products that can last at least for at least 10 years till we have any breakdowns or issues.